Time to start your research? Do you need to find different sources in multiple formats like books, articles, and maybe even films? Did your instructor tell you to find one scholarly article and one popular article on a subject? If your answer to any of those questions was yes, then a great place for you to start is the Galileo Discover search box. In this second of the Galileo film series, we'll talk about the search box. We'll look at how to use it, what you can find when you search, and how to interpret your results. The Discover search box is a little bit different than Google. You don't want to just type in a question. Let's say that we are writing a paper on the history of minimum wage. So I'll just type in some keywords and hit search. And we have a list of over 400,000 items that contain the words history, minimum, and wage. That's a big list. We can limit our results by using these limiters here on the left-hand side of your screen. If you only want articles that are available to you full text online, you can click this box. If you can only use articles from peer-reviewed or scholarly journals, you can click this box. You can use the slider bar to limit by date. So let's say that we only want articles published after 2001. If you scroll down, you'll see that there are other limits available too. Let's say that we only want articles that were written in English. We can scroll down to language and check this box. And we can limit by type of resource. So let's say we want ebooks, articles from academic journals, and articles from magazines. Let's look at what we got. If you remember, we started out with over 400,000 hits. After limiting, we've got now just under 200,000, which is still a lot, but it's a lot less than what we started with. These symbols tell us what kind of resource. So number 3 is an article from an academic journal. Number 16 is an article from a periodical. Now, a periodical is a popular magazine. So you can see that this was published in Forbes. Number 11 is an ebook. You can get to the full text by clicking this full text link here. Many times the full text is available right there from your results list. So in this case, you can click this link for the PDF full text, or you can click this for the HTML full text. Whenever you see a Find It button, if you're interested in the article, you might want to click on it too, because it might be available full text through another database. And in this case, this article is available through these two other databases. So you could click on this link to get the article full text. That concludes our video on the Galileo Discover search box. If you have questions, feel free to call, chat, or come by and see us.